Good afternoon, Scott Duckworth coming to you again, and this is sort of a follow-up to one of my last videos dated May 12th. As of today, it's hit almost 94,000 views on these Toyota dealership scams. Not limited to just Toyota, Ford, GM, Kia, Hyundai, and all of them are doing it. All right, listen to me closely. If you refer back, and I encourage you to do this, on that May 12th video about the list, they said we need to get this stuff done right now. These, I hate to use the word people, said we need to get the water pump changed out as soon as possible. You're losing coolant. You can't make this up. All right. We actually had the water pump changed previously. And if I remember correctly, a couple of years, give or take. I can't remember exactly. So it's got a fairly new water pump on this Toyota Corolla. All right. I have not added any coolant. Now keep in mind, this car here is driven every day, at least 110, 120 miles. We're approaching 300,000 miles on it, okay? I'm gonna do the very best I can with the camera to show you. I'm not sure if you can see, but here is the coolant level right where it should be. The mark is there. There's the coolant level. You probably can't see it, but it is what it is. It's not losing a drop of fluid, or what I call coolant. All right, these people are brutal. How many people are elderly people, grandmothers, grandfathers up there in age, would have said, okay, I'll go ahead and change, I'll go ahead and pay for that $800, and they want to do it right then. They want to get you in there. Folks, it's BS. Now, sometimes they're right. Now, here's the thing to look for on a leaking water pump. You want to see drops up underneath it. Water pump's very easy to find. Okay, that's another story. There's thousands of YouTube videos on that. I'm not going to sit here and show you a how-to video. When these guys pull this, we got to get her done now. Got to get her done now. I'm going to say in 95% of the cases, it's a crock of BS. So that was, if I recall right, the video says it, or one of my videos says that it was approximately $800. Water pump on this car is very simple to change out. It's got 4 bolts on it. Any dum-dum can do it. All right, I'm just telling you. With that being said, these dealerships are getting brutal. They're not making a lot of money on what I call just the retail of the cars. They're making the money on the financing and what I call the scams, or the let's fix it right now deals. Folks, get a second opinion. Always get a second opinion. And let me share this with you. I have figured it out. Half the population has an issue or a problem saying no. Listen to me. No can be a wonderful word. No. Say it with me. No, you're not going to do it. I want a second opinion. And if you don't trust that particular place you got your second opinion from, go back to your dealership. If you don't mind paying extra, it's probably going to cost you more. Find you a trustworthy mechanic and get a second opinion from these guys. They're brutal, folks. I'm telling you, don't do it. Thank you for viewing. If you've liked what you've seen so far, hit that like button or subscribe. I've got so much more to come. I did post a video earlier today, something about McDonald's, which is probably a little bit irrelevant to a lot of you. But hey, there's an insurance train wreck on the way. I'm telling you, where it's homeowners or auto insurance, it's brewing. Half of you know it. The other half, you're going to find out about it. That's coming, and I cannot wait to tell you what's up. Thank you again. This is Scott Duckworth in South Georgia. Do not give your money to these people, please.